Welcome back. If you have a favorite childhood memory that involves marshmallows, then you're in for a treat this morning. Earlier this morning, we started making our marshmallows on the KOAM Morning News, and then we've cut them up and finished them, let them cure, finished them in our last segment, and now we're ready to try them.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you were talking about going camping and s'mores. So much when you go camping, but the idea behind this is that you can create any flavors that you want to do. Now this morning we've done this as a s'more so that we can actually show you. Our marshmallows have chocolate in them. So we have our graham cracker, we have our marshmallow.
But you got to toast it.
And we'll toast it right on up for you. Get that chocolate just a little melty.
Oh yeah.
And look how beautiful golden these get. And they're so ooey gooey and yummy.
Can I turn it for you?
Oh no, this is the fun part.
Okay.
I get lots of practice. We did these for the teachers, and we torched them right out in the hallway for them to try. And the toasted marshmallow smell just wafted right down the hallway. It was so wonderful.
Oh, a lot of jealous students, I bet.
Oh yes. So why don't you go ahead and try our homemade s'mores?
Okay, I'm not going to burn myself.
It's just like a hot marshmallow when you go camping.
Okay, while I try this, why don't you tell me a little bit about the other flavors that you guys have experimented with?
Well, we've done salted caramel where we cut them up and we've served them on an apple slice so that you get that classic country fair carameled apple flavors. We've done the espresso that we talked about earlier. We did a salted caramel and we floated them in coffees or hot chocolates. And they've done cotton candy and strawberry. Thanks to Amaretti, one of our class sponsors, they send us all these beautiful flavor varieties that we can try and do something new and exciting with. Peppermint, cinnamon apple, cinnamon toast, cinnamon bun was incredible. That was so good. It was the perfect way to say, I'm eating a breakfast, but you're having a marshmallow. And then you toast it on top of it. It was insane, the flavors.
And you talked about how these are gluten-free,
can be made vegan-friendly. So, and they're wonderful. When you go and you buy marshmallows at the store, they have a whole lot of extra chemicals and stabilizers in them. But this, you know exactly what goes in it, and they last just as long as anything you buy from the store.
Plus, it was fun making them, and I can imagine making this with the kids. Just got to be safe, be careful because it is very hot.
It is. The hot sugar is very hot, but if you take a little bit of time and you're patient with your kids at home, you can do it really easy.
Okay, these were excellent. I'm definitely going to add this to my list of things to make at home, as uncrafty as I am. I think I should add that to it. Can cooking be a craft?
Cooking is a craft.
There you go. Yeah.
You're making something at the end.
We're asking people this morning what's their go-to craft. Cooking was not an option on there. We need to add that, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm moving myself to the none category to other now.
There we go.
Yes.
And crafting is a great thing. I mean, the great cathedrals of Europe were built by craftsmen. Cooking to me is a craft. It is. Some people say, well, it's art. To me, it's just a craft.
There you go. All right, so what do you have planned for us next week?
Next week is Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, yeah.
Street tacos.
Awesome. But nothing predictable.
That's right, nothing predictable.
Sorry, we're going to run off of that for a while.
Oh, yes, we are.
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for coming in this morning. I really appreciate it. Did an excellent job, both of you. And I wish you best. I know this is your senior year and going to have to say goodbye soon.
I know, I'm heartbroken. I see when graduation comes and I lose all my seniors. But I'm excited because I get new freshmen next year.
Yep, new ones to mold and create new food with.
Yep.
New ideas. All right, well, hopefully you can take some of the skills you've learned into your future, whether you go into a food service industry or not. You can use it as a hobby and at home.
That's right.
He'll miss me.
Always. I miss all my students when they leave, but I do keep track.
That's good. That's very good. All right, we will be right back.